Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Elementary Mitch. In today's video, I want to show you what you can do if you have a Lego robotics kit. And if you want to show any grade level, how do gears work? You can take those motors, those Lego robotic motors, Spike Prime, WeDo, Spike Essential, EV3 if you have it, and just teach your kids about gears. You know, the gear that gets spun by the motor is your driver gear. The gear that gets spun by the driver gear is called the follower gear. And then teach your kids about gearing up or gearing down. You know, why do we gear up? Why do we gear down? So you can have the driver gear be, a bigger gear spinning a smaller gear, and explain, hey, this is how we gear up. And they might, understand how a bike works and a bike with gears and why we would want to, gear up or gear down to get up that hill. So there's different ways that you can incorporate this, but it's so much fun for kids to figure out how do the gears interlock. If one gear spins clockwise, it's going to make the other gear spin how. And so there's so much logic involved where they're going to have to kind of visualize the gears. You can talk about gear ratio. Why does the smaller gear spin more times than the bigger gear? And if you're getting higher grades, you can even ask them, if a gear has a gear ratio of 8-to-1, if one gear spins one time, how many times will the other one spin? So you can talk about ratio there. It's so much fun with these. And then just giving them a chance to explore the gears. Why do gears have a hard time connecting? Can we use a bevel gear, where they can be perpendicular? Can that work? And then there's so many opportunities to talk about different things that use gears, like clocks and, bicycles and elevators. We take our gears and we attach a string and watch that the gears can actually raise and lower a cup. So it's just so much fun to be able to explore gears with kids and have them just be amazed. Like, wow, I didn't realize so many things have gears. I even had one girl say, do my parents have gears in their car? And I'm like, oh my gosh, I completely forgot about that. We talk about automatic transmission and manual transmission. It's just never a dull moment, and there's never anything that you just can't talk about because, there's so many things that connect and relate to one another. And so they enjoyed this lesson on gears, and all it took was just, I didn't even need a motor. All I could have just had them do is connect gears, and we talk about it. But I even let them have a motor where they could attach to their gears and spin the gears themselves, because I say, when you guys drive in your car, your parents don't spin the wheels by themselves. The motor spins the wheels, and, the gears work by themselves because the motor is running everything. So they get to see the connection and have a lot of fun. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.